Much like its predecessors, the new 2024 Toyota Corolla prioritizes safety and reliability. It ensures a comfortable ride that can confidently tackle any distance. By comparison to its main rivals, the Honda Civic and the Mazda 3, the Corolla is steady and composed. So what's new for the Corolla in 2024? For the 2024 model year, the Corolla embraces its darker side with the highly anticipated return of the Nightshade Edition. This appearance package takes the already stylish SE trim level to new heights with its distinctive features. The Nightshade Edition boasts eye-catching bronze wheels and dark badging. The Nightshade Corolla hatchbacks take things up a notch. A black roof and a vented sport wing further elevate the Corolla's visual appeal, making sure it stands out from the crowd. This package is sure to appeal to drivers who crave an edgier and more daring look for their Corolla. When it comes to the 2024 Corolla lineup, our top pick would undoubtedly be the sporty, by Corolla standards, SE sedan. Its tauter suspension adds a delightful touch to the driving experience, setting it apart from the LE and XLE grades. LED headlights, striking 18-inch wheels and tires, a plush leather-trimmed steering wheel, and an intuitive 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration are just some of the highlights that elevate the driving pleasure and convenience to a whole new level. With the Corolla SE sedan, Toyota has successfully crafted a compelling package that marries sportiness with modern tech, engine, transmission, and performance. The 2024 Corolla relies on a 169 horsepower, 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, which channels its power to the front wheels through a continuously variable automatic transmission, or CVT. While this powertrain is shared across all hatchback models, the sedan variation distinguishes itself by offering a hybrid powertrain option. Rigorous tests of both the Corolla SE hatchback and the Corolla XSE sedan revealed that even with the most potent engine, acceleration left something to be desired. These Toyota siblings showcased their prudence around town and stability on the highway, yet they fell short when it came to delivering refined engine sounds during hard acceleration. In terms of performance, the all-wheel drive hybrid model takes a rather leisurely 9 seconds to reach 60 miles an hour, while the hatchback model managed to do it in a pretty decent 8.3 seconds. On the bright side, both the Corolla sedan and the hatchback offered a pleasant ride quality, effectively isolating passengers from most road imperfections. Their controlled body motions contributed to better agility compared to previous iterations. The Corolla SE and XSE stand out further with their stiffer, sport-tuned suspension and larger 18-inch wheels, while other variants ride on either 15 or 16-inch rims. However, when matched against athletic and engaging rivals, like the Mazda 3 and the Honda Civic, the Corolla's progressive steering, while satisfactory, didn't quite achieve their level of excellence. In a 70 miles an hour to 0 braking test, neither Corolla body style managed to impress, requiring distances between 174 and 183 feet to come to a stop. Despite this, their brake pedals proved dependable, responding naturally to inputs, fuel economy, and real-world miles per gallon. The 2024 Corolla sedan lineup caters to both eco-conscious drivers and those seeking fuel efficiency. Alongside the fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine option, the Corolla sedan boasts an immensely thrifty hybrid model. The EPA estimates that the front-wheel drive hybrid achieves an impressive 50 miles per gallon in the city and 43 miles per gallon on the highway. The all-wheel drive hybrid variant is also commendable, earning an estimated 47 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. By comparison, the non-hybrid 169 horsepower 2-liter engine option achieves up to 41 miles per gallon on the highway, according to government estimates. For those interested in the Corolla hatchback, it achieves an EPA-rated fuel efficiency of up to 32 miles per gallon in the city and 42 miles per gallon on the highway. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside the Toyota Corolla hatchback and the sedan, you'll find a shared commitment to a streamlined dashboard design and quality soft-touch materials. The majority of models come equipped with passive entry and push-button start for added convenience. To elevate the interior ambience, some variants offer optional upgrades, such as ambient interior lighting, dual-zone climate control, and heated front seats. For those who frequently carry backseat passengers, the sedan might be the better choice due to its notably greater legroom behind the front seats compared to the hatchback. And speaking of cargo space, the Corolla hatchback provides a respectable 18 cubic feet of storage behind its back seat. However, it accommodates just 2 carry-on bags in that area. An intriguing option worth considering is the no-cost enhanced cargo space, which expands the hatchback's storage capacity by an additional 6 cubic feet. Achieved by replacing the spare tire with a tire repair kit, this option offers practicality without compromising convenience. On the other hand, the sedan, with 13 cubic feet of trunk volume, demonstrates its impressive versatility by accommodating 8 bags. Nonetheless, both body styles fall short in terms of interior cubby storage when compared with some of their more spacious competitors. In terms of practicality, the 2024 Corolla offers a convenient tray at the front of the center console and a useful bin below the armrest, providing a sense of order amidst its slightly limited storage spaces. Both the Toyota Corolla hatchback and the sedan deliver a harmonious blend of style and comfort within their cabins. While the sedan boasts superior legroom for rear passengers, the hatchback compensates with its configurable cargo space. Although both body styles could benefit from increased interior cubby storage, the Corolla's thoughtful design touches add to the overall convenience and the usability of the driving experience. Infotainment and connectivity. The 2024 Corolla lineup ensures that every model is equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system that comes with the convenience of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Moreover, a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot enhances the connectivity and keeps passengers well connected on the go. For those seeking the pinnacle of convenience and modern technology, top-tier options include wireless charging, allowing for hassle-free charging of compatible devices. Additionally, music enthusiasts can opt for the upgraded JBL audio system. With these advanced infotainment and audio features, the Corolla solidifies its position as a tech-savvy and well-equipped choice in the competitive compact car segment. Safety and driver assistance features. Across the entire Corolla lineup, you'll find an array of valuable standard driver assistance technologies that add an extra layer of safety to your driving experience. These include automatic high beams, which enhance visibility during nighttime driving, and road sign assist, which helps you stay aware of important traffic signs. As for key safety features, the Corolla leaves no room for compromise. Standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking bolster your ability to avoid or mitigate potential frontal collisions. Standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist contribute to a safer driving experience by helping you stay within your lane and avoid unintentional lane drift. Standard adaptive cruise control further enhances convenience and safety by automatically adjusting your vehicle's speed to maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead. With its commitment to safety and driver assistance technology, the Corolla proves to be a well-rounded choice for safety-conscious drivers seeking peace of mind on the road.